I-94 arrival departure record has to correct the validity period. So when you enter the U.S., the I-94 dictates how long you can stay and remain in the U.S. So usually if you're on a B2 visitor visa, the B2 visitor visa authorized period of stay is 6 months. So if you're traveling to the U.S. and you notice that your I-94 arrival departure record is less than your intended period of stay, what you want to do is go back to the CBP officer, ask to speak with a supervisor, and ask them to change it. So that's one tip that you can use when you're traveling to the U.S. David Nguyen with tip number 2 when you're traveling to the U.S. When you're in the U.S., you're usually allocated a certain amount of time on your I-94 arrival departure record, which allows you to stay in the U.S. for a certain amount of time. If you want to extend your status, what you want to do is file form I-539. And with this form, you're able to pay a fee and you're able to extend your status up to 6 months. That gives you an additional 6 months to stay in the U.S. Today we're in Coron, Philippines, and this is travel tip number 3 if you're visiting the United States. So before you come to the United States, you're going to need a U.S. visa. So once you enter the U.S., if you find that you have lost or misplaced your U.S. visa, what you want to do is visit the local police station and make a report. After you make a report, obtain a police record that you reported your visa stolen. This way, when you return to your country, it will be easier for you to obtain a new visa at a U.S. consular visa abroad. Today we're in Manila, Philippines for travel tip number 4 when you're traveling to the U.S. Once you enter the U.S., you may want to change your status from a B2 or visitor visa to a different status. When you change your status, what you should be aware of is that you must maintain status when you're trying to change your status from a different type of immigration status. If you enter the U.S. on a B2, you have to file for an extension for the B2 status and also a change of status to your new status if you want to change to, let's say, an F1 visa or an H1B visa. So that's very important to keep in mind if you're trying to come to the U.S. and you want to stay longer using a different status. Make sure that you maintain your status at all times or else you won't be able to adjust status since a lot of the applications take a lot longer than 6 months to complete. Today we're in Bali, Indonesia with travel tip number 5 if you're entering the United States. When you enter the United States, you're going to need a U.S. visa. The purpose of a U.S. visa is to allow you to enter the United States. So once you enter the United States, you're going to be given an I-94 arrival departure record with an expiration date. This expiration date determines how long you can remain inside the United States. So if you enter the United States and your U.S. visa expires, you can still remain inside the United States until your I-94 expires. So a lot of people, they enter the United States and they get confused because their visa has expired. Remember, the only purpose of that U.S. visa is to allow you to enter the United States and not how long you can stay in the United States. And this is travel tip number 6 if you're coming to the United States. If you're coming to the United States, make sure that your visa is accurate. If you're coming to the United States just to visit or for tourism or to attend a business meeting, you will need a B1, B2 visitor visa. However, if you're coming to the United States and all you have is a visitor visa, but you intend to marry someone in the United States, most likely you will need a K1 fiancé visa. Make sure that you obtain the right type of visa before you enter the United States. Just because you have one type of visa doesn't mean that you can automatically use it to enter the United States. Vietnam. And this is travel tip number 7 and also the last travel tip if you're entering the United States. There's a couple of things that when you enter the United States is different than other countries. One is tipping. When you go to a restaurant or you stay at a hotel or you take a taxi ride, in the US people live off of tips. It's not like other countries where the tips are built into the bill. So what you want to do is you want to tip at least 15 to 20% of the bill to the person that's doing you a favor. So if you eat at a restaurant, you want to make sure that you're tipping the waiter or waitress because their income is based on that tip and not necessarily the meal that you're eating. Another tip when you're visiting the United States is that many countries have a lot of check cashing places or currency exchange places. In the US, it doesn't work that way. Most likely you would have to go inside a bank in order to exchange your currency with US dollars. So if you're expecting a lot of places where you can exchange money, it's not the same thing. So either exchange your money at the airport or go inside a bank when you enter the US to exchange your money. Another tip is that unlike other countries, you cannot negotiate inside the United States. For most of the stores inside the US, there's a set price that's listed on the product itself, and that's the price that you pay. On top of this price, there will be a local tax that you would have to pay, which is for the government fees. There are certain sections, there are certain places that you can negotiate, but it's very rare.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.